Hey guys, happy Halloween. I know that when you guys are watching this, it'll actually be after Halloween, but we figured, what the heck, we're carving pumpkins, and we've got the birds here with us, and let's give it a go. You want to see if the birds help us out?
Yep.
Yeah, they've been real helpful so far.
I want to carve my yellow one first. Okay.
I'm going to do mine. Pearl, you're going to help me design a pumpkin? Pearl, I would do a bird design, but I'm not that artistic. I think I have to just do a regular old face. Hello, where are you at? Come over here and join us. Look at the pumpkin. It matches your cheeks. It matches your cheeks. It's a big
one matches
spot.
This matches almost all of her.
Oh yeah, this matches the rest of you. These are pearl pumpkins. Yes. Here, want me to sit on Brendan? Here, sit on Brendan. Yeah, you can watch him carve. Or sit on me, that's fine.
Ah, I got messed up. I wonder how horrible it's gonna be.
You mean the innards?
Yeah, the innards.
Yeah, got it? Pull. Pull, you got it. Ew! Look at the pumpkin. Oh.
She like fell in the pumpkin.
Alright, here, let me carve this off. You want to eat some pumpkin, Pearl?
Yeah, chop that part off. It's yellow guts.
Yeah, this one has a lot more guts than the other one. Okay, I gotta tie my hair up. Hello, you finally joined us. Thank you.
This pumpkin is almost some of the colors of you.
Oh, here, roll your sleeve up so you're getting pumpkins on you. Yeah, these yellow pumpkins are much slimier than the orange ones. I don't know how that is, but here, Pearl, you want some pumpkin? Alright, you know what? If you want me to eat it first, I'll eat it. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. We'll put it straight on the table. We gotta wash this whole table off anyway afterwards. You sure you don't want to eat some pumpkin?
This pumpkin's delicious, even though I don't know what pumpkin tastes like.
Cooked pumpkin's good. I don't think we'd enjoy eating that very much.
And guys, please leave us a comment and tell us how many pumpkin seeds are in a pumpkin, because there are a ton of them.
Hello, you want to come over and join? You can come too. Come here. Come here, you.
You can help me clean up my hands, Pillow. I'm using my hands to scrape off all the guts.
It's like a roller coaster. We're scraping out a pumpkin. We're scraping out a pumpkin. Yeah.
I bet Pearl
look, it scrapes. Needs more scraping over here. Scraping out a pumpkin. Scraping out a pumpkin.
Look at Brendan. He looks like Pearl with like a great roller coaster. See? It's a roller coaster.
A roller coaster. Scraping out a pumpkin. Yeah. Finally found a way to make this fun for you. Ew. Guts all over me.
I feel on your feet.
Oh, there's a pumpkin seed stuck to my foot. You want to scrape some more? Scraping out a pumpkin, scraping out a pumpkin.
My way. Mommy, why are your feet all over me?
I don't know, I got hair in my mouth. This is fun. Yes, it's fun.
Yeah, she said yeah.
Yeah. Scraping out a pumpkin, yeah. Bellow's missing all the fun. He's just sitting over there, not participating. Right. There's still a lot of hair in my mouth. Can you get this hair out of my mouth? Probably not. So, you about ready to start carving these?
Yep, I'm ready.
We're about ready to start carving. Yeah. Want some slime? She looks so offended. She's like, what? Alright, so we cleaned up a little bit, and now we're going to carve these faces out. This should only take a minute, because they're pretty simple. But
except for mine, which has 3 eyes.
Yeah, Brendan's has an extra eye. We'll do this one first. Ooh, look, Pearl!
You can eat that. Just put it on the table.
Alright, I'm going to put this down here if you want to eat it.
It's like a giant watermelon size.
Here, try some pumpkin. piece of pumpkin? Here. Yummy. That's for you. What do you think?
Like it? Like
I think it has beta carotene or something in it. That's good for you. She keeps starting to eat it. And it might be a little slimy. It's more slimy than what you're used to, huh? It's good. Pillow, come try. Pearl's eating it. You know you want to. All the cool kids are doing it. Try some pumpkin. Try. They keep going for it, but it's almost like their mouths sort of slip off of it. Like the slimy texture, I think, is a little different from what they're used to. But it's supposed to be good for you, though. Pillow, you keep eating nothing. It's like,
no, they're eating. They're eating.
no, he keeps just like going after little like invisible crumbs on the table. Come here, Pillow. Oops. Here, eat that. Eat that big orange chunk. That's all for you. I'm confused. He's like, are we supposed to be eating this? It's super weird.
So stop moving all with me.
When a Pillow eats vegetables, it always results in pieces of vegetable being flung to all corners of the room. If I steal pearls, then that'll be okay.
Oh, you stole Pillow. Oh. Go steal the smack Pillow.
Two birds like pumpkin. Yummy. When we throw all these pumpkin innards out, we'll save some pumpkin for you.
We can save all the pumpkin for you if you want. Whoa! Pull all the giant chunks.
Got 3 eyes on this one, but no nose, so
Yeah.
it's the same amount of carving.
And by the way, here's the light.
And I forgot to mention, our new bird is still in quarantine up in Brendan's room, so he'll be up there for another couple weeks. And so unfortunately, he can't be part of the pumpkin carving extravaganza, but next year he can.
But we can try giving him some pumpkin to see how he reacts of eating it.
That's true. We'll give him some pumpkin to eat. So he likes it. I'm not going to do this bottom tooth just to make it slightly different from the other one. Alright, so here is Brendan's little squashy face 3-eyed pumpkin.
Yep.
I like the 3 eyes.
It's supposed to look like a monster pumpkin.
Yeah.
I want to see what it looks like.
Alright, put the lid on. Here.
Wow, I love it.
Ta-da! Master craftsmanship here, huh? So these are our glorious pumpkins. Happy Halloween, everybody. I know Halloween was yesterday, but I hope everyone had a really good time. And like I said, we'll have our new bird down out of quarantine very shortly. And so stay tuned for videos with that. And
Yep. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.